There are 3 common mistakes men make when speaking to a woman that makes an awful impression on her and kills the potential for attraction. These mistakes are subtle and habitual, so most guys don't even realize it, but the consequences are major. So in today's video, I want to tell you what these 3 attraction-killing mistakes are and show you why they turn a woman off instantly and makes her dislike you. Moreover, I'm also going to tell you the secret root cause of these 3 mistakes that most dating gurus never talk about and how to fix these mistakes permanently with one simple move. So with that said, let's not delay any further. Pay attention to this video and watch till the very end so you do not miss a thing. I'm Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl. And every week, I'll give you the no BS insider info about what women really want, plus the most effective methods to win over any woman you like. So just hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Here is the #1 overlooked mistake that make women dislike you that could easily be changed: having bad skin. That's why I'm excited to have Teach Hanley as the sponsor of today's video. You've heard me talk about them before, and you're gonna keep hearing me talk about them because I know the positive impact their products will have on your life. Yes, life, not just dating life. Seriously, I still don't think some of you believe me when I tell you how much implementing a quality skincare routine will improve your confidence in every aspect of your life. I recommend that you start with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics: a daily face wash, an exfoliant scrub, an AM moisturizer with an SPF 20, and a PM moisturizer. And to make it super easy, they provide this awesome instruction card in every box that tells you when to use each product, how much, and in which order. But you don't have to just take my word for it because they have 5,000 5-star reviews from customers around the globe. So this isn't something you want to put off because prevention is key. Get ahead of signs of aging now. Your future self will thank you. So in addition to amazing skin, members of Teach Hanley get tons of benefits, including 20% off the retail price, access to exclusive monthly deals, pause or cancel at any time, and free US shipping. And because they are sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers a great deal. So just click the link in the description and you'll get 30% off your first box plus a free gift. So do not miss out on this amazing deal. So click to get started today. All right, back to this video. Here are the 3 common conversation mistakes that turn women off. So mistake #1, upward inflection. In case you don't know, an upward inflection is when your voice goes up at the end of a sentence. For example, hey, where are you from? Or, so what brings you here today? Okay, see how I'm going up at the end? Using an upward inflection is not inherently bad, but it becomes bad when you overdo it. And the more you use an upward inflection, the more unsure you sound. That point where your voice goes up makes it seem like you're seeking people's approval, especially when you repeatedly use an upward inflection. Because again, it makes you seem nervous and insecure. And women, not that they don't like this, but it's not attractive. So it can be a turn off to them. You'll see that the more confident guys almost always use downward inflection when speaking. Their voice goes down instead of up at the end of a sentence. So for example, hey, where are you from? Or, so what brings you here today? Down, see, not up. Do you see the difference? There's like a difference, but it has major impact. It's very subtle, but the way you're perceived completely changes it. A downward inflection makes you sound way more confident and assertive, like you know what you're talking about. It helps you command respect and attention. And women are naturally drawn to men who do this. In fact, you'd be surprised how small body language and tonality changes like these can make a huge difference in your results with women. So if you want to dive deeper into this topic, you can start with my video, How to Attract Women Without Saying a Word, and it's going to show you the 5 most fundamental body language tweaks you can make to be more attractive to women. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can watch it after this video. Not now, because there's 2 other things that you need to know about your conversation, all right? And now, moving on to the next one. Mistake #2, rushing to finish, which I do a lot in these videos. So when you're talking to a girl, you might be worried that you'll lose her attention soon, especially if she's like really hot and you're totally attracted to her. Many guys have this worry in their heads all the time. And because of that, they rush to finish. They speak really fast so they can get their words out before the girl inevitably loses interest. So do you see what's going on here? The very act of rushing to finish presupposes that you're going to lose her attention. And it kind of acts like a self-fulfilling prophecy because you inevitably do lose her attention. Speaking too fast or rushing to finish shows the girl that you're not sure of yourself and that you're nervous. So it subcommunicates the idea that you don't feel worthy of her attention. And women don't want to talk to guys who don't feel worthy of them. It's just it's a natural repellent. It's a natural turnoff. So if you look at the most charismatic speakers in the world, you'll see that they take their time with what they have to say. They have a slow speaking cadence, and they often pause in between sentences or phrases. That's a little too slow. That slow, relaxed speaking cadence really hooks people in, and it makes you extremely captivating and makes you look super confident. It subcommunicates that you feel worthy of their attention, that you are confident in what you're saying. You're not worried that people will lose interest, that you feel completely comfortable and secure with yourself. And it might sound like a little thing, but believe me, it makes a huge difference. Moreover, speaking slowly and pausing gives you the ability to collect your thoughts. It can make you more articulate, which is always a good thing, and it makes a great impression on people. So moving on. Mistake number 3, not being present. So most guys, when talking to an attractive woman, are constantly worried about one thing. What do I say next? What will make her attracted to me? How do I keep the conversation going? The problem here is simple. When you're constantly worried about what to say next, about the desired outcome, you miss what's going on now in front of you. You miss what she is saying to you right now. And women pick up on this, and it's very annoying. I've said this a million times on this channel, in my programs, everywhere. Women have a deep desire to feel heard and understood. Everybody does. And we only form a strong connection with a man who makes us feel that way. If she notices that you're kind of phased out of the conversation, that you're not fully present, it creates a bad impression and a bad connection. Plus, here's the thing. The more concerned you are about the next thing to say, the less likely that you're gonna have anything to say because you're not paying attention. Instead, you'll just get trapped inside of your head and you're gonna go blank. I've seen this happen to guys so often, and I tell them all the same thing. Just relax and listen. She'll give you the goods. She'll give you what to say next. And if you're in the moment and you're engaged in the conversation, your brain will automatically give you things to say. I mean, think about what happens when you talk to your friends or your colleagues, friends, people you're comfortable with. Do you really plan what to say next, or does it just come naturally? And I can guarantee it's the latter. And it's easy in that situation because you're not worried at all. The attractive woman, on the other hand, triggers all kinds of insecurities within you. I get that. It makes you worried and anxious. In fact, the reason behind all these conversation mistakes is deep-rooted insecurities, a sense of not feeling good enough or that you are good enough. And that's the root cause of every unattractive behavior men do that turn women off. And if you could just get rid of that feeling, you can do so much better with women. But because by doing so, you will unleash the unique, confident, and charismatic self that's already in you. You're just not letting him out. The good news, it's actually easy to get rid of that feeling of not being good enough. Most people assume it could take years of therapy and self-help to overcome your insecurities, but the truth is, you can do it in just 10 minutes a day from the comfort of your own home. And here's how. I have been working very closely with Mark Singh, who specializes in NLP and visualization. And together, we created a visualization method that will literally replace your negative, insecure thought patterns with strong, positive ones that fuel your confidence. And this method is like a cheat code for building confidence and transforming your dating life forever. And it's unlike anything that you've ever seen. It's already worked miracles for hundreds of our clients. For example, before we launched this program, we gave it to a hand-selected group of 46 students. And over a 30-day period, each student went through the visualization exercises for 10 minutes a day. And by the end of the 30-day period, their success rate with women increased by an average of 300%. That means triple the phone numbers, triple the dates, triple the sexual encounters, and I see no reason why it can't do the same thing for you. So if you would like to erase your insecurities and build rock solid confidence that attracts women like crazy, click the link in the description box below and check out my visualization program. Within days, you will see a dramatic improvement in all of your interactions with women, and you'd be able to approach any woman you chose, no matter how beautiful she is, and have a conversation without breaking a sweat, without going up at the end, without, with being present. Moreover, you'll be relaxed and calm, so you won't make any of the common mistakes men make that push women away. And I'm absolutely confident about this because I've seen it happen over and over and over again with hundreds of students. Like I said before, it's a remarkable program that's unlike anything you'll ever see. So give it a try, click the link below, and check out the visualization program now. I know you are going to love it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you found it useful. And as always, I'll see you next week.